Hello, are you wondering what you can do with your business, your sewing business? Have you been in need of money, lacking idea? Don't square away. This video is for you because I will be giving you 15 ideas on how to make money on your sewing skill, sewing business. You heard me right. So once again, you're welcome to Custom Tool Venture. Today we'll be talking about ideas that can bring in money for us in our sewing business. With this video, you will not like idea AK. You always get freshened. People want to sew. People want to sew this, sew that. The increase in demand is very high, and we must key into it so that we don't lag behind. Yes, you're right. The first one I'm going to be discussing with us is the custom sewing. That is the one you have been doing most of the time. They bring this cloth, you sew, and all that one for shirts, traditional wear, and those are just normal clothing. And you know what? Some of us stay with it, that they just stay idle. No customer, they didn't bring any clothes for me. Just stay back. There are a lot you can do with your sewing business that will keep bringing money. So that is one of the one you can be sewing it, the usual one you have been doing in your shop. They bring clothes, you sew and all that. Number 2 is the bridal and occasion wear. Wow, bridal wear, that one na money. If you don't know how to sew, check out. If you don't know how to go, please go for extra lesson, go for advanced classes to learn bridal wear. You will sew for the bride, you will sew for the bride ladies and all those kind of things. Then you will sew their traditional wear, and then bridal gown. They're very expensive. If you get one, not to talk of two, in a month, that is something. Okay, so if you have not leveled up to that, please go for the bridal and occasion wears that are specific. You have to keep in the correct mood though. Be correct, know what is trendy, know the kind of bridal wear we wear those years back. So be correct. That one will bring you money. Don't just go with only Iro and Buba. Once you sew Iro and Buba, you are okay. Once you sew Bubu, you are okay. No, then go for correct bridal wear. The bride wear, the what not. I sew for men, I sew for women. So I'm a unisex seamstress. So you can learn for the men. If you don't want to learn, get somebody that knows how to be. Let them join you at the working shop. Number 3, clothing alteration. Clothing alteration. What do I mean by clothing alteration? They want to change one cloth to the other. Do you know many brides after their wedding, they intend to change that cloth to simple wear that they can still be wearing? Because most times people's idea is after you are wedding for your wedding, the next is when the person dies. No, some people don't do that again, and that's why they like to reduce it so that you can still be wearing it. Why not? Why can't you reduce it? You charge them, they pay you. Once they can pay your fee, why not? The jeans, gym material, people want from this to that one. Why not? Do it. Don't say you are too big. Give your apprentice, let them do it for you. That one will also bring you money. Hey, the next one, number 4, children's clothes. Children's clothing bring money, man. Children now, once they are outgrown it again, they throw it away, you buy another one. And once you make your own model, what I mean by children's clothing, sew children's clothes and sell them, sew in bulk, distribute to people that sell. You can also sell it on yourself online. So many of them, different design, display them. Internet has made things so convenient for us now. Get to TikTok, get to YouTube, and then advertise your goods and money keep coming. While the ones in the shop, your office is bringing money, online is also bringing money in there. So many of the children's wear, different design, different style, and then money will keep coming. You cannot lack once you have all this idea. Okay, and the next one is Ankara fashion. Hey, what people are using Ankara to sew. If you watch one of my videos of how I use Ankara and lace for mixed skirt and blouse, you will love it. And all this way, let me tell you, all this way idea of AI. Come and learn it. Come and learn it. You can get different design of Ankara. Check my other video, you will see it. So you can sew different design with Ankara. Beautiful skirt and blouse, not just Iro and Buba, not just Agbada. Simple finds. Mix it with plain cloth, mix it with lace, mix it with brocade, mix it with any kind of material, and you are good to go. Okay, this my video is made today, which is holiday time, precisely the holiday, the long vacation for the children. Why not venture into sewing of uniform? Reach out to schools. Some schools will be opening afresh. There will be some schools that will be starting the next month, which is the next session. Some schools are already in the session. Ask them, can you sew their uniform for them? Uniform, produce in large to bring bulky money at the same time. Venture into that one, you will see how it's worth it. Yes, even at this time, some schools need change of hands. They want to change their way of sewing for them and all those kind. You can venture it. Just do this. Once you are watching this video, go straight ahead, go straight to the schools and then ask them if you can be sewing for them. That's another source of income instead of just sitting down. Except they bring cloth to your shop. No work. No, you shouldn't do that. Don't do that. Then number 7, corporate uniform. Don't know they have uniform at hotels. They have uniform at restaurants. Some companies, they have the uniform. In fact, many companies have uniform. They could just be simple wear, it could just be jackets. Why not venture into it? Venture into it, let them know. And once you get one, make sure you do it very well so that they can be introducing you to other people. That's another source of income. Wow. Number 8, sewing tutorials. Just like if you have come across my video and you also a tailor, you have video on YouTube. Do you know some tailors, some seamstresses, they don't have video on YouTube. They don't have it on social media. They are just busy copying and then looking at what others are doing. Who told you cannot do your own? Put your own there to let it be monetized. Let it be bringing in money for you. Okay, so that's another idea. Let people see your idea, and then when you put it up there, do you know what? Even before whether YouTube or TikTok anything monetize you, people will reach out to you. They copy your number. I love you. I love your work. Can you sew this for me? They don't know your shop, but through the internet, they have known your work because you put your tutorials, you put your work there for people to see. Okay. So please do that. This video is majorly for us to get more income, to make more money on this our sewing business. Okay, so that we just don't stay, it's only shop, it's only our house where we are sewing it. No. Then number 9, we have digital sewing patterns. Some people cannot sew without patterns. They believe in pattern because it's faster for them. You know, they just cut the cloth with a pattern. Why not? You can do that. Put it on social medias where they can see it. Put it on I think you can put it on Seller, you can put it on Gigi, you can put it on some online stores, your digital patterns. Some people like it so much because it's easier to use. You don't have to be cracking your head as such. Okay. And then number 10, I have home decor sewing. I have so much of it. In fact, I'm even using them, the throw pillow. You can sew throw pillow. You can sew the cotton, the fashionable cottons. You can sew table runners. There are so many things you can sew. Display them on social media. Put it out your hand. Tell them what to do. You can do this, you can do that. And you see people will patronize you. You don't have to just keep waiting until they come to your shop. Try some of this one and thank me later. Okay? All I need is just like the video. Like the video and share it. That's the way you can appreciate me. I will love that so much. And number 11, we have fashion accessories. Fashion accessory, sewing of handbags. You don't know these tote bags? Can't you see it on the video? Yes, so something like that. The tote bag is even so common now. People use it for their souvenir. People use it for as their company handbag and so many other things. You can sew headband, apron, and put all these things on the online for people to see. Okay. Then when we talk about number 12, sewing subscription. Sewing subscription. Those one you offer monthly kits containing fabric, patterns, sewing notions, and project instructions, and then people keep subscribing to you. Once you produce it, people keep buying it monthly from you. You know, they come and they buy, they come and they just do that, and the money keeps coming in. Okay. Number 13, I talked about this one so much. Selling online. Go online. Go to Gigi. Display your cloth there. Display the baby wears you have put on. Hey, I'm sure many of us are on TikTok. You can see how people are cashing out there. Cashing out in real time. Do the same. Just need a little push. People will get to know you. Okay. Then I know many of us do this, but you can still increase it. Probably there's a way you can attract the people. Either you make your training standard so that people will come, and that is what the apprenticeship training people on sewing, and then they come. Of course, they pay. They just for instance, somebody say register with 300,000 naira for the training, for learning how to sew. That's another source of income now. People come to learn, and then they can't take your idea away. They can't take your knowledge away. You only borrow them. You only share with them, and then of course that one will bring in money for you too. And then number 15, and not the list, our event decoration. Wow. Event decoration. Go to Google, go online, get ideas, begin to produce and begin to sell. Okay, begin to produce and begin to sell, and money will keep coming. You will never lack. There will never be a time you say there's no money. Okay, the successful people are hardworking, and they keep looking for ideas. They keep learning. You can never stop learning. Okay, so you should build as much as possible. Build a strong online presence. Showcase your business, your consistency, and something about this online is consistency that is needed. And I hope you got something in this video. If you have gotten something, please don't forget to like it and share it, and let me hear from you in the comment section. Let me hear the one you are going to try. Let me know the ones you have been trying, and then I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.